Hi everybody, welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I'm gonna introduce you to brand new products from Nars. I love Nars. It's the first time I introduce you to this brand, but it's not new to me. Of course, we're selling in Nordstrom. This is just beautiful new blushes from Nars. It's already on me, and it's named Air Matte Blush, and I'll use these two blushes for my contour, for my blush. Also brand new lip color from Nars, and it's a matte color, and it's named All Yours. I love this beautiful nude color. It's make my lips very sexy and full, and on my eyes I'm gonna use this beautiful Nars eyeshadow palette. I am in love. I don't know why I don't use this before. It's the first time I use this palette, and it's named Orgasm. I love this eyeshadow palette. It's so pretty on my eyes. And again, stay here, watch my YouTube channels, comments below, message me, because I'm making this video for you. I want you to look beautiful, I want you to look pretty, and yeah, okay, let's start. And I promise it's gonna be very easy. First item, which one I'm gonna use, and I really like it, it's from brand CLARINS, and it's helping me with my pores because I do have large pores. And this is serum, again, not just minimize, but it's a treatment. Okay, then I'm gonna use sunscreen. It's a moisturizer with sunscreen from brand Supergoop, oil-free. You can use this for face and body, and we have a 50 SPF, and I put in pretty big amount. I melt it in my skin because like if you put small dot, it's not enough. And because I live in Florida and it's already sun really strong here. And another item, which one I absolutely in love, it's a Glowscreen with 40 SPF from Supergoop too. And I like it's vegan, it's no synthetic fragrance, it's not irritate. You can use before your foundation, you can use on top your foundation. I like to put on just few area, but you can mix with your foundation. Again, you can put on top foundation, or you can use by itself. But look how pretty and glowing. So beautiful. Okay, my skin is finished, my skincare is finished. I hope you like these items, which one I use, and they not too expensive, and it's really affordable. And of course we're selling them at Nordstrom. For my foundation, I'm gonna use Clear the Pore foundation, and it's a Radiance Matte Foundation, 20 SPF. It's a medium to full coverage, but because I use this amazing brush from TRISH, it will be full coverage, because I do have little discoloration and I want my skin flawless. Plus eyeshadow, which one we're gonna use today, I'm gonna create a very natural look. I feel very springy in Florida, even it's still February, it's still winter, but I want already spring to be here. Under my eyes, I'm gonna use Nars Radiance Concealer. It's a really famous concealer. It's with Helen a lot at Nordstrom, and I apply 1, 2, 3 like letter V. I really want this eye area to be bright, and I kind of apply a little bit too much, but don't worry about, I will use my beauty blender and I will, if it's too much, my sponge will absorb. Also, remember to put this, like I like to wet this sponge, take off water, and it will be little bit wet, slightly wet, or damp this sponge, and I will just work in. But before I do this, I will use TRISH McEvoy concealer brush. Here we have foundation, here we have brush for concealer. Again, and I trying to put this lighter color up for extra eye lift. Again, if it's a little bit too much, now I have a sponge and I will absorb rest of products. Oh, it's so beautiful outside, girls. I wish you are here. Okay, so pretty. I want you to look at this difference, right? How bright, how pretty. And also when I have little bit concealer now on my brush, and because this is area, it's a little bit dark, and I like just to put little bit what I have left over for few reasons. First, it's even this eye area, and second, when you get an older, this area little bit feels dry and it's like creepy, and concealer will give me like extra moisture and smooth this area. Okay, let's do another eye. And now let's get excited. I'm gonna use brand new blush from Nars, and it's a very neutral color. To me personally, I can use for my cheek, I can use this as a contour, I can use this on my lips. And I have another blush, and it's named Torch, and it's like more like a brighter more reddish color. Again, I'm gonna put two together for them, and it's a brand new colors and new formula from Nars. And let me little bit focus camera, not on me. For cream blush, I'm gonna use TRISH McEvoy brush number 55 Deluxe blender, and we're gonna start with color Gasp. Very little I applying. Again, it's a little bit softer color, and I'm gonna try to apply this. It's like my bronze, because I feel it will be very pretty, and I also wanna spread this blush up. Look at how still this highlighter looks amazing, right? Like primer, which one I use from Glow, how give me beautiful like glow right here. But this is blush, it's so pretty. Again, you can use this blush, I feel like as a contour too. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Yeah, very pretty, very natural. Let's do a little bit more. Yeah, blush you can use for your contour, you can use for your eyelid, you can use for your lips. It's very multiple purpose item, but yeah, it's so pretty. And now I'm gonna use this brighter color. Again, I will use same blush. I'm smiling, not gonna all the way here, a little bit higher. Can you see it? And now I just gonna like I push into my skin because it looks much more pretty. Wow, look how pretty, so pretty. Oh yeah, it's very springy, I feel. And now I definitely will need to do another side, and I will use LANCôME loose powder to set my makeup because my skin absorbs colors. Again, LANCôME loose powder. It's a very hydrating radiance powder, and I use in color Pearl. And to set my makeup, I use in TRISH McEvoy brush. It is bronze brush number 37, but I actually love to use for my powder. And I feel like TRISH McEvoy, one of the best brand. She made every brush handmade, and I will tell you, I have her brushes for like 15 years, and they still in best good, amazing conditioner. And now I'm gonna use also brand new. It's a lip color, matte, all over. It's long wearing lip color, and it's a very neutral lip color, and I like this beautiful applicator. Make my lips so smooth. Yeah, it's really pretty. And I know always light color on my lips looks the best. Can't go wrong with this. Lips, it's done, and now we're gonna do my eyes. Again, it's gonna be very simple. Look at these beautiful colors, and it's all about to look beautiful and young, and I hope you like my look. Please comments below, and thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel. But before eyeshadow, we apply an eyeshadow. I'm gonna use, I have sample Nars proof eyeshadow base, and it's no color, it's basically like a clear, will look clear on my eyelid. And I will use TRISH MCEVOY brush number 66 cream blender. First color, which one we're gonna use, it's this one, and it's a matte color, and I'm gonna use number 29 blending brush from TRISH MCEVOY. I like to lift little bit my eyelid, and I'm gonna put like this color, matte color, like in my suckle area, or I always say like in my little bit pocket right there. Eyeshadow looks very natural and very soft. All what we're doing right now, it's a building color with you. Okay, matte color we finished to apply. Now we're gonna use this soft pinky color, and we're gonna apply right here. It's gonna give me nice beautiful shimmer. And I'm using same blending brush, which one we just used. It's beautiful and a very simple application. I'm gonna use clean blending brush, cream blending brush number 6, and LANCôME setting mist. I'm gonna spray my brush, and now I'm gonna use this beautiful gold eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply on center my eyelid. Look how beautiful, give me nice beautiful pop. Same brush with same color, I'm gonna apply close to my eyebrows for extra eye lift. And now we're almost done, girls. Now I'm gonna use a big brush from TRISH MCEVOY again, and it's number 23 angle, and I'm gonna connect these two color slider and this soft peach together. For my mascara, I'm gonna use Nars mascara. I have a samples, and I'm gonna use also liquid eyeliner from Dior, and it's number 296, like it's navy. And we're almost done. Wow, what I can tell you girls, holy moly, sorry for my English, but this mascara, it looks amazing on my lashes. Give me nice beautiful volume, separation. Ooh la la. Wow, check it out this, right? Now I'm ready for another side. Wow, really like this mascara. Also, I feel my lips little bit dry, and because it's a matte lipstick, and I decide I'm gonna add Dior, my favorite smooth lacquer lip treatment. I don't know about you girls and boys, I really like this look. I look so young, sexy and pretty. No one woman not pretty, we just need little bit makeup. And now I have a brush from Nars, and I love this brush, and I'm gonna use these two color together. It's one, it's like little pink, and another it's goldy, and I will use this like little bit as my highlighter. Yeah, it's very pretty. I like to use some like items like I showed you before. Blush you can use for contour, you can use for lips, you can use for blush, like multiple purpose. Now a little bit on my nose, and again it's February, but I feel already like I'm ready for spring. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please comment below. I'm really happy when you interact with me, and I'm gonna do more and more video for you, of course. I will soon gonna make another giveaway for you because it's make me happy, and if you're happy, I'm happy too. Okay, love you all, bye.